Oh, so sesisetukwayo.
Situkwayo King kude lenye indlela ngaphandle kokuba tukwayo.
Hey liviki libe lihle mlingane. Ku manje nje ngiphethwe umkhuhlane ngiyafa mlingane. Ngiyafa.
Uyacala ikuseyakena ukuthi ngiyamangala ukuthi nini lapho nikusama mara thina sesingena ku-winter ukubamba njani wena noma ucala ngala ngakithi nyalo mara siyawulwa ngalama lemon nalama orange.
I think ukuthi bengisemgwaqweni mlingane for a long time. Last week bengitravela kakhulu. So ngidibene nato tonke tinhlobo tebantfu uyabo ngandlula kuto tonke inhlobo tetindzawo.
Yeah.
So I think ngibanjwe ngiloko nje and but kutawendlula King as long as imphefumulo usahlangene nenyama wafana.
Nami yathi umkhuhlane nami bongiphatha ikusema Eastern Cape ngiyochecka cream.
Mara wena King le journey yakho le boyihamba yo.
Nyalo King sengidoflya nyalo lento yebhasi ngeke ngisayisebenta le.
Hayi ibhasi ina communications mlingane because inkinga yebhasi there's everyone on the bus.
Not even like that, dog. Like the journey is too long. Kuba kuleyo position leya yebhasi uyabona ukuthi soluhlele kuleyo position leyo and nihle nehla lapha kulama alzu nithenge ama in and kubusuku yabanza ekseni bengihamba ngewinter. Yabanza inangizane ekuse yabanza iDurban nabo Pietermaritzburg bomthatha ngewinter and it's close to the sea. So
it's close to the sea King.
Easily you
It's
catch
close
the
to
flu.
the sea. Hayi
Easily
man.
you catch the flu. So bengigula ekuse ukhanze phela lapha bengiyele ifani ukuthi ekuse ngiphume enkomazi ngifuna ke ePietermaritzburg Eastern Cape ngiyova ifani. Ukwazi sinohlala iviki lonke ngigula ngirecover ekhani leli ligcina liviki ekhani.
Ngempela kunamaXhosa Eastern Cape.
Besihlala emaXhosa King la fly. Ekuse
maXhosa fly King. The fly.
And King mina benye emakhaya. Lenza ukuthiwa kusemcandule kusema joined. Nemochela labahle blind lapha eksela bahlala emahlathini mfowethu mara bahle in fact akusike emahlathini again
bathini batheza
kusemakhaya but kunelwandle kune beach mara basasemuva kakhulu because etiyenza utite gas.
Hayi wena shothi lapha bathini kuyathezwa
Kuyathezwa kusathezwa King kusabaswa phasi uyabona bayentsabeni bafana. It's still old school.
In one way that's a beautiful life mlingane yathi uthi lempilo le yabafana ngathini it's a quality life King but kufuna ufike somewhere ascend somehow ukubona ukuthi lempilo yeyo King ekuyothoda uyabona ekhemandi nanani kudla imbhidvo wena ungacabanga ukuthi kuhlupheka type uyabona but na ukulandzelela lama benefits e health King bafit abantu balapha ekuse.
Mina I think original impilo yethu especially thina King maybe thina lesimelinated impilo yethu King ngileyo kufuna thina King like I think we were healthier when we lived like that and I think besikakhulu kuma principles ethu njengebantu masaphila kanjalo nale health ekuse nyalo sesifa early like niggas afa early ubonile kufe Presley
ekuse Presley phela mncane King 40
senguthi ngiyadle because of that.
Hey King, I hope akusiyo it bye labadlako kule industry. I hope nje like maybe he died peacefully in his sleep or something like that.
Shothi ngawo ubulawe drug.
Hey King ngingeJozi bafana. Yabona eJozi kunengi lokwentekako kunengi lokudliwako King eJozi.
Hey she said talking about that King. Ngiyaphuma 1 year. I think it's 2016 or something. 2016 I guess. 2016-17. Ngiphuma na surprise nalenye Ibrahim yakandlovu. Sithi Jozi. Siphethe timvorwane.
Uniphethe bye.
So phusha timvorwane King siya yini kupha igama likasi leli. Cosmo City.
Cosmo famous bafana ngengeva ngeCosmo there's some stories.
Asingene Cosmo King. Siphushe tindo sohlangana iBrahim bathi ngumlifere. Siphushe tindo. Kanzakala kusitindo tethu tiningi atikhona kuphela same day uyabona. So kufuna ukuthi surprise nale out yami bajike nyalo babuyele enkomazi ngisale mina eJozi ngiphushe the rest of the job uyabona.
Asisho King ukuthi allegedly. This is all alleged and for entertainment purposes.
For entertainment purposes guys
And
umlo
it's alleged.
it's alleged because asmart asling mina ngimart asling
Eh,
ngisale King inkosi ukuthi ngiphushe lesipande sisele nyalo uyabona. Angisale neBrayami Nzambama okay ama vele Nzambama wajida 5-6 around 5-6 wajida aphushe ngisale ngisale namliferi singene lapha endlini yakena eJozi kuphilwa njani King ekuse yabona kuthi indzawo lenyatiyo King la kuphilwa khona motherfucker njengase Jozi like mina kuthi out lehlele eJozi King lengangichomela ukuthi ekuseni ngihlele eJozi dog ekuse yakena thina eJozi like I understand I know everything about that place King I've been to every part of Joburg. I've been to the Val side, cheesy. I've been to the cheesy part of Joburg, mnandi ngahlala eSabab. I've been to the hood. Ngibuya kasi sani, ngibuya like the weirdest place you've ever been. Dodgiest places mfana. Mina ngiyawathi ke ngihamba nguthi mina vele ngiso strata yabo ngiyakhona ukusikhonza. Bana abaningi aba confuse ukuthi say hey out there ngathana ngiyakhona ukublenda in. Oh, li point lambe lakuthenini King lethi bayibalo khuluma ngato wasingelenye room bekusebusika I remember it was winter lapha lapha estandini ngikhona khona nomnye chair ucashile naye lapha estandini so bayatana ngisho wasingene sithenga amacaselite amajita sihlala lapha eroomini lo cherry uba se stove to plate yabo to plate uba se to plate King uyibase as heater ubeke nemandi lapha ukuthi lamandi yakho like heater nje le to plate bekuyi heater lapha endlini yabona
hayi wena.
yeah yabanze Jozi kuse
Hayi Jozi liyabanza phela King in the winter.
Joburg yabanza ngewinter. Oh ekuse hey 3 minutes 4 minutes ekuse ngibone mina ngiyachopha lapha. Tuke lisoso yabo lisoso King lisoso yalathi lisoso King.
Ngiyalibona sospan.
Ngiyachopha tuke lisoso mfowethu ngiyachopha kulungiswa amalayini. Ngiyasho ekuse namhla ngibeke ngibone namhla. I think it's like about 5-6 lapha endlini 5-6 or 7 I don't remember very well mara sihlele ukuthi lo cherry uhlele empedeni wakhe in a horizontal way like that mina ngihlele esitulweni ngibukele I'm close to the door and kune out lacenga kwami ka right wami kune out sekulo cherry lapha empedeni wakhe you understand ubekele hot plate yakhe lapha le plate malita litaso yabo hayi liyahamba lejamba bashaya shaya le-card King lase F&B shaya line
Ushaya ngelikhathi
ledlula line abalifika la kimi King inkosi ukuthi inkosi ejamba ibhari leyi-1 ngilithatha ngilendlulisele embili ngithi ngiyabonga bafowethu kuthiwe ekuse manje wayo endlulise la ideng ngithi ekuse angishayi la ideng and by the time bese ngiquithile ngisho nekubhema yabona emazolo onke into leyo yabona so
ubusoyekela imborwane.
Yeah was a sober man benginathela tshwala nje so I understand the culture seJozi ukuthi sometimes kuba peer pressure majida lamaningi King uhamba ngesikolo yabona uhamba ngesikolo uhamba ngiyofuna span ubuye ngebhokisi mfowethu washo zona
Ayizo iJozi King I think iJozi igunye too many cats and ayithini like icala ngaba omkhulu bethu phela kugunya abantu iJozi
for a long time mina King I swear to God King ngenteke eJozi khona bhuti wakho noma umzala wakho something
neka hlala bekhona I know at least 2 abomzala bami labakhona because mina ma-angele ami lamanengi King asipanile eJozi mayini bekumagayiza nemashipha
so bonke bebaplanta inhlanyelo lapha yabohlophe bashiya
King bebaneke bahlale iJozi elfast King everything can happen yabona I think mina iJozi ngiyabona kudzakamiva ngiyabona le violence I think iJozi yona King i-trap ngakuthi angani noma ngayiva kuwe noma ngayiva kubani lento le ukuthi uyathi uthi na uphile eJozi King uva ngathi uDonjinga around the corner there's a ngathi into aba grand man kuba ngathi uDonjinga somehow fast there's something coming ukayiva le feeling le na useGoli.
It's a lie. You understand? It's a lie King it's a lie that we tell ourselves for a long time. King baningi bani king leba eJozi king, like eJozi ngeke uye king ungaba famous. Yankutlo ungaba famous mara ekunjinga mfowethu, ekunjinga mfowethu. Bancane kakhulu abantu abanjingile eJozi king, I won't lie to you king. Mina ngakubekisela wonke labantu abafamous dobabona ku TV king, bomvango whatever generations bethi imali king, ba famous. You get that. It's a given. You will be famous.
But famous king senguthi then there's magic lendeka on social media king lekwenda ucabanga ukuthi yabona umjita lo is living it like that gani aneke inkinga eJozi ubabona like a lot of people labasebele eJozi nababuye emakhaya emalokishini babuye bacamele imizaca king umjita ucamele iMecca ucamele iMustang bacamele iGD6 kanjena. And thina nasihlehla emakhaya sicabanga ukuthi lo mjita say is having it his way. Gani eJozi king you can get a lot of gangster deals. Let 1340.
Not even that king. I can break it down for you if you want to.
Khona kuyo king, khona kuyo.
King, I've been to Joburg maybe ngihleli for a year. Nginishile ekhaya stay past kwendzaba ngitse ngisaye eJozi bafowethu. Ngifika eJozi king. Maybe I get that job, you understand? I'm earning something like 13-14k ngenyanga, you understand? Ngirente 2.5 eflatini.
Now ungahlala eMkhukhwini, yeah, is around, yeah, from there ungayivusa flat 2.5 eGoli somewhere.
Kufuna nginike future maybe 2 ngenyanga. Ngale lifestyle king lesicetha kuyikhuluma nyalo ngiphilako. Uyangiva king?
Ngiyakuva ngilalele wena mlingana.
Semva kwaloko king ne small street lapha, it's easy to get clothes king. Lokubuka ngimuhle ku Instagram, that's cheap for me. Akunankinga eJozi impahla kuchiphile mfowethu ngeke uyenge, you understand? Ngiyadiza nginabochela by 4-5. Yabona ngisikhothane type shit. Yabo? It's December time sekufuna ngibuye ekhaya mfowethu, kufuna ngene emaplan. Easy. Ngiyahamba king yaka Nangzane yaka Elvis mfowethu ngiyothola imoto. Understand? Ngirenta level for a week kuthi ngekhaya ngithatha iMustang king. You need that. Nguplaka mahala. For free. Wherever king. Thatha iMustang king for 2 weeks or for a week ekhaya. Ngikhipa maybe 15 noma 10 noma yeah, it's even cheap like cheap ku rent imoto. Akela abantu abaningi bakanti durile.
It's cheap king. Go cheap rent motor is very cheap.
Ngithi Mustang wherever in. Oh shoot. Oh, uyadlala wena king. Ngisikhothane eKasi. And everybody, it's a beautiful story. It's a beautiful story. And it's not coming from a place of hate ukuthi levo ikhuluma. I can do it too. Who knows?
It can be done mlingana. That's why i-weekend lenkulu in Swaziland king kuna bushfire and itabe kudilika eJozi.
Ekumatima le weekend ekuseswatini. Yabona ngiyafisa kube ngiseswatini king. Ngiyakena uthi kusemine ma bushfire amaningi angigejile mfowethu.
Hayi mlingana, I think mina nawe kutafuna seni plan se bushfire because bushfire nomlingane singabona mina nawe sesiprophesy a lot yabo. Siprophesy ngale magic lendeka bushfire. And yabona to see it up front is something different when king, because yabona sengidawuya kanti bengingafuni ukuya king, but I think lengeloze sayifuna kungimikisa yabona. Emlingane kunalomthitha lomchazile wena, the guy you just explained uSpane Jozi yabona. Uye small street wathatha ngathi impahla nyalo uhamba warenta imoto yabona, and he went to bushfire.
Yeah.
And angayi king kunalomnye umjita king uKangwane une steady sakhe yabona. Lo mjita king une steady sakhe, already the plans have been made yabona. Uthi ekuse ngiyeda mina ngidofika Friday around about 4 in Swaziland. So lo mjita lo kaNgwane king already sebamtshelile ukuthi ekuse ngihamba nebangani bami siye emgqobeni kufiwe kabani bani yabona. Problem is ifoni yami ifoni yami inenkinga ye-battery and angithola i-charger. Already sebamtshelile King.
Eish, ekuse
The plans have
sekuthi
been made King.
many cats ekuse king add the spirit of ascending yabona.
Angenta njalo mjita kulesimo leso mlingani.
Kude langakwenda again.
Usho ukuthini ngaloko King?
The
The
decisions have been made for him.
and agoce tandla.
No King, the fact is number one nomshitelo King akade sikwendekani because akasingi him nawe.
Akayiboni yonke ucabanga thilo madam wakhe ule emgcwabeni kufe i-charger.
Madam usemgcwabeni kufi charger King, like most cats again sekuse King ignorant ekuse. And akukho wrong yabona angiwablame emajita King. Le game lena King sidlala ngihlukahlukana, I understand. Kunama stages in everything elifini King. There are stages in everything. Everything King inama stage ukuthi sekuse level 1. Majita labaningi King akekho ku level 50 yabo thina King isemaningi bo boss sihlangene nabo King endleleni salwa nabo kule game.
That is why when mlingani mina bengingana kule situation leyo ngathi amedem wami ukuthi kuse ubobuya nemali ye-rent le-grocer. Mina ngikule level leyo ukuthi
King.
Yakungesikhothane King sithi lona lesikhothane sitokwenda le miracles lesitawenda lapha bushfire wena buya nemali yegrocer ne-rent.
And that's the sad part King, is sethi loan lesikhothane. It's not even like imali yaso ukuthi vele the nigga is okay. I-loan King, it's an average nigga like you too dog. It's not like ukuthi wena senguthi ngihlele Jose about it. It sounds intimidating, it sounds loud, it sounds glamorous and beautiful.
It sounds beautiful, but King kufuna nomjita loyo King asishiye sinemali ye-rent ya 2 months ne-grocer ya 3 months kule situation leto kwendeka, because mina I already know King ukuthi le situation leto kwendeka. Buka ke King where it gets messy, because yabona nakukhuluma umoya ongcwele King kufuna ungemi, kufuna uhambe ujike wonke lamakhola ushiye khona. Kunalomunye umjita King lo seJozi lo jolana le out yale fro le.
Facts.
Naye King uyeda kule weekend uye bushfire umjita lo jolana le out le. Uyishayele le out ukuthi kuse ngidabe ngikhona, because we know ukuthi some of these dudes move that way yabona.
Most of them
out ukuthi ngidabe angiva King.
It's most of the dudes move like that.
Most of the dudes move like that King, nongabalandelela kahle hle, which is not a problem yabo. Mina I'm all for it. Naye le out bayishayele King ukuthi asidibane bushfire nayo icabanga iplan yekuditcha medem semgcwabeni.
Yeah.
Nayo ihamba ne-out yayo by bushfire. King, this weekend I can promise you King.
Bohlangana lena King batsakiwe it will be dirty.
King lo madam uyodibana ne-out yakhe ihamba ne-out yayo, naye ahamba ne-out yakhe.
Say nasty lendo King. Akena ukuthi sikulenye chain, i-blockchain, whoever ke-blockchain King.
Ngiyayathi blockchain.
Bitcoin. My relationship at my Bitcoin majita.
And these things are happening lingani namuhla bushfire kunengi lokwendekako ebushfire. Le story letsalako King, ngeva story last year about lo myekelo wakhala King shothi wamitha lenye ibhuda yangala kubo na sport kaso.
Yeah.
Ba vibe the whole bushfire weekend balale emathendeni shothi ngathi kwaba ngile touch screen King shothi bekude irabha kwaba i-touch screen.
I went.
Kwaba i-touch screen wamitha girl King.
Yeah.
Girl umithele out le bathi ngumthobisi yasenasport. Wakabani umthobisi akamati King, umthobisi wasenasport. Ebo le drama leyo.
Sekule mntwana King lekutaba kuthiwa ngibushfire.
Kuna bushfire lo tawutalo King namajita aseJozi, because naseJozi emabhari manenge eJozi King. Shothi achamuke eJozi lamajita afike adibana nabantwana kangwane, right?
Yeah.
Ta book guest house ta transport guest house. Tishiye ama device la heavy King nemali le guest house. ndihambe ndiye kubushfire.
Yeah.
Athi girl ekuseni mina ngisengiyagula lana kanjani ngicela kubuyela endlini and angikhanza.
Yeah.
Ahambe king bamnika isikhiya afike guest house girl athathe ama valuables as she should yabona because phela siyaphanda lana.
Like ene
Anyamalala.
mina engujudge kuphanda kwethu ukuthi siphanda kanjani.
Yeah, le situation king isho ukuthi singamove noma kanjani so angade mngani ase unayo advice king yaleni ngoba pha kunenge le stakuva from the weekend lenkulu lena king.
Mina king ngithi advice, you understand?
Mm.
Konke lokho kwendeka king ku predestined. Mina nawe sithi content mfowethu uyabona sakhasa senabo 11 views mfowethu. Ayendeke leno king, like the whole week I've been sucking up the stories that we hear, the aftermath king. Yeah, bushfire.
But ke kune out mlingani lesadasiva sikhuluma nyalo and ite nemali yel ticket king sayokuma egedeni yahlola kanje girl why
If le outlay king ilalele nyalo king ayibe ready for next year sebesikhona thina balingani abakhulu funa sivloge mina ngibe ngivloga next year king ndabe ngiyaya lalela ngiyaya bushfire next year ndabe and ndabe ngivloga and ndabe next year king ndabe vigilant.
Hey yeah bushfire weekend king I heavy bafana especially kulama relationship ethu le tokufela lesinato lendlela sijona ngayo because hey yabona smooth nasty king and the thing is uyabona buka le thombe king ungayi
eish
nobuka thombe mingane ungayi angiva mina
uyahawukela
mlingani and kunekwalihamunga king kubi kunesisako singaka kunamathenda aka Eskom qinisile ukuthi kude lekufuna ukwenda kulesimolesa I think nje kufuna sibe kuma relationships ethu kubone ukuthi lokwendeka kule weekend ye bushfire ne weekend ye riders ranch akucounty yabona ke ngikwale ukuthi bose bushfire wenda ini yabo bose riders ranch wenda ini kufuna lokho sikubale king ukuthi it's part of the relationship.
That's riders ranch ifika nini king?
Ayivama kulandzela soon after bushfire ngathi.
King thina thina vele thina bala thina sibasemakhaya thina. Okay sesihlakene silungwini nyalo but sinale mentality yethu lena ele mentality sesitake le kufuna siyikhipheni machita manje le mentality ukuthi thina stay attend thina sikhokho.
Stake inkinga mlingane sibase stake sibala lokuthi nabathi nje engena ebushfire nje imathikithi akhona king ngibone bathengisa lenye nga 3000 ngiyabona ukuthi nga 3000 king now wase stay already sobalile ukuthi ungathenga 3 wetimbudu ubekele uthenge nes4
Exactly king I think the question very dog like on a serious note mawucabanga king ibushfire king yakhelwe emaswati mbamba noma yakhelwe ema-visitors bantu abatokude is it an ideal thing and an affordable thing lenga-attendwa is by an average Swazi or yinto lebayakhele bantu labangathi bangcono or bantu bekuhamba?
Ekucaleni mlingane Maswati beka-attenda nayisaqala ibushfire eMaswati but I think of late evolve kuthi sebantu bekuhamba because mancane Maswati nasikhuluma ngale nomjida nje king lo maybe lo security uhola 1.8 kaso neka thenga ticket la 1.5 1.6 thousand nomjida lo so already akabalwa kuleto balo leto
and lokunye like lapha ngikhathi king mawungena lokudla lokudayiswako and everything who's selling is it the locals ngibo labaphatha kudla kwabo bangela lapha ngikhathi or ibushfire king ivele ema restaurant ayo la kusipana njani ile ngiya
wonke umuntu uyathengisa lapha mlingani nawe mina nje bengijola nalo mnye medem bekathengisa bushfire she would paying us 8,000 rand
8k
uthola stall.
You think you can make that money by king a chicken dust?
Oh king bekakha even more bekathengisa impahla ke yena bekakha even more king imali yeminyaka bekayakhe ebhizinisini yakhe bekayakhe bushfire then lokunye ke so that weekend king There is a business weekend ebhizinisini yakhe. Lo lokunye nje soyenda kuba busy the other weekend.
But 8,000 King shosle mangabe ngitsinge ndi chicken dust shosle ngidayisa malini nkukhu yami kuse.
Yeah, lapha King na 150 umhlubulo ngawuthengisa. Yeah, that's not a problem.
And people
Because
do buy.
Lapha King kuta bonang bo Houdini.
Ne.
Kuta bo Houdini. I remember nje ngitshela lo madam noma ngilenye out la ngitshela ukuthi beme emva kwalenye out lomnye oka Nigeria. Bese ayongeda ngophela uthenga kwema ticket lapha. Bese lama ticket uthenga ngawo.
Yeah.
Beka ungeda 24 stina. Beyongeda 24 stina King. In addition to some money that bese say already sayidliwe.
Ne.
Now the Swazis King lokuphela kunamaswati mlingana la kuphela khona umnyaka ngadibana 24,000.
Facts.
That's fact. And King kuna inhombe yakho yafuna ke le wena uyibambelele eningmakhada nyalo King uyibambelele ufuna kuyidlisa emagwinya. Nakunamajita le King, that's why mina ngiseke mlingane ngingatshela girl wami ukuthi kuse bophatha imali rent for 2 months lapha nenang nemali gross.
I think nyalo is time ukuthi moya out King, you have to redefine your relationship King, like dig deep into it ubone ukuthi imayelana nani lento lesiyendako lena, because in most cases King bana abaningi akene sebafuna kuba lonely ekuse. Like really it's not about love. Most people King, they just afraid to be lonely, they don't want to be alone. That's why bakuma relationship akusiyo ma relationship lento lesiyibonako le King. Ma cloud thina ukuthi nje kuse abantu bayasaba nje kuba bodwa ekuse, mva kakhulu nje ihlala yedwa mfethu. Athi mfethu.
Like ngumakhada akafuni ukuspendele winter yethu empedzeni uyabona. Or ufuna kunemba.
That's baseless relationships. Ngiko le tinto bese ta crasha. And especially nyalo kule age lesiphila kuyo eksele age yabo online nanane mo ma cloud. La ma relationship lawo kufuna siwabuke King ukuthi amayelana nani, because ngazi ukuthi King sekune intention yalokujola ngathi akusasiko ukuthi ngamthanza nje kuphela kugcina lapho. Sekunalokuthi ngijolela ukuthi bagcwale, ngijolela ukuthi bangibone. Maye makungiloko King le bushfire na King kuyajamba ukuthi umlilo maphepha noma umlilo wembondvo. Uyathi imbondvo?
King imbondvo kuse imbondvo. Phela umlilo wembondvo umlingana singawotha iweekend yonke sikhunisinye.
Eksele kwembondvo King ungakulayida King ukushiye samsolala mawuvuka eksene ubona ngathi akuvuthi ufika ukuthi kubovu ju.
Imbondvo kunale mnyama King.
Kunalemhlophe.
Sekunalemhlophe imbondvo. Umlilo wembondvo.
Le mnyama King ngathi insimbi, le mbondvo lemnyama
True.
Lesikolo sakhona ngathi insimbi.
True, mina mlingane kunesigotvo lengakhula sisekele fenisi wasekhaya. Ngakumikisa nakuso namuhla mlingane esigodvo sembondvo. Yeah, it's hardwood imbondvo. So umlilo wembondvo King nemlilo wemaphepha kwehlukile. I think mina nowadays sekude nalesikhala semlilo wembondvo man. Things are moving very fast.
Because King imbondvo King is there to cook something that needs that needs to be cooked for real. My lamalanga King into etiningi adziki kuphekwa King sinema fast foods into etiningi le mijolo lena King ma fast foods yabona into ukuthi kuse uyifakela hleni fast ntwana siphuma esivayi. Akusasiyo into efuna kuphekwa, akusasiyo into ukuthi kuse wa building for a lifetime.
Sekude lesidingo. I think sekubuild for a lifetime. Senguthi mina ngiyasupport, mina mlingane ngiyasupporta onke ama relationship la khona bafana. Whether Sithembu, whether lo ukuthi yabona especially yase tavern, mina yase tavern King ayithanda leya. Or ngilala ama relationship la eliviki yabona. Like ngisupporta onke.
Mina labangihlula mfowethu eksele. Ngiwakhona eksele.
Maphi lawo?
La ngeliviki la ngema tavern nanani. Hayi.
Ufuna yiphi namlingane
relationship lento King? Akusiyo relationship King lenyini. Yami nawe sikhuluma ngezinto ezihlukile. Wena ukhuluma ngamasibambisana, mina ngikhuluma nge relationship yabona.
Okay, ngicela kuphoza umbuto kuwe ke Mlingane ube munye.
Yeah.
Ugcine nini kubona relationship wena lo lokhuluma ngayo?
Ngiyawabona King mara ngiyabona from a distance because nami ngikunangizana uyabona.
Uke
Ngiku-retreat.
investigator yini noma ubona nje like on Instagram?
Ngibona a beautiful story.
That's nayo le issue mina ke Mlingane sengimukele lokuthi this is a beautiful story yabona.
Yeah.
I've accepted that. And ngibukile ukuthi okay maybe nakuphela an hour and a half kutonyuka ama credits.
Ekuse ngibone iLapel Boy ngathula lo mnyecheri nya lo musha.
Hayi ila kuyabaphula King bogela bahle. Ila is a real one King. Ila uyabaphula bogela bahle Mlingane. Angifuni
Ngibone
ucambe manga.
iLapel Boy King ngathi kuphethe silwane semntwana nyalo. Angathi mara lo waqala beka fly.
No, I think iLapel Boy Mlingane official ngabogela bahle. Like that dude is just official bafana. As far as market because kusuka kulomunye King Madumane. Nyalo ngase kulandzela omunye Madumane waseLesotho yini type thing.
Ngiyaye Lesotho King, ngasikudala ngiyaye Lesotho ngendeka tabe ngiyimila ngasikudala.
Yabona nawungabambisa kwa ila. Hey, lo mthetho lo yami Mlingane senguthi I think is one of the goats ku hip hop yakangwane. That's fair.
I-goat
is one of the goats.
Mangabe yabona King, I'm not hating on a nigga, you understand? If that cat is one of the goats, which means there was never hip hop in Swaziland and it will never be. If i-goat isingayimeasureisha nga-iLapel Boy King, that nigga King, I won't lie, is a good guy socially. Uyasithi abantu abadzala wakha tindlu ngathi tingwa nanani and stuff. That nigga is pushing, is one of the hardest working guy I know. But when it comes to hip hop, dog, as a sport, and I'm passionate about it, dog. If you're talking like that, hip hop for it, uyangilimata kusho ukuthi hip hop King kuthi lokwendiwe eSwatini mangabe iLapel Boy King is the goat hip hop.
Man, so ukhuluma nge-lyricism or
like ngikhuluma nge-music mfethu ngilalela imvo emnanzi bese say this is just hip hop, dog. This is nice, this is pure, this is fair.
Hey, I think nasikhuluma mina nangacabanga amajita kangwane like lengwathi ku music wawo ngiyambala iLapel Boy because he played on the radio, he performed and he did something big with it, so that's why ngimfaka kule category
umlomo King. Manje kulolo kulalele wena King ubese decide wedwa lapho eMelika ukuthi le outlier i-goat.
No, not per se. Ngibani lomyela faka span Mlingane lo matiko wena.
Like King, like wena ukhuluma kiphi level? Mawuthona iLapel Boy i-goat, ukhuluma tukwani?
Ngikhuluma ukuthi na ungaya kumuntu Mlingane athi bale ma hip hop artist kangwane lo watiko. That's the guy that's at the top of my head because he made music and people know his music.
Man, I don't know his music. I know songs lengakhona kwalalela ngwacetse. Most of his songs angicedzanga because there was nothing in it for me.
Buphi ke tshwala bam and if didn't King he really made songs
like
that
King,
guy.
Yabona King for it. If wena utaba lapho King eMelika ukhulume ngalangzane emajiteni ubalalelise langzane yekela. For me King, give me iLapel Boy King is the workest nigga I've ever known to emerge out of that beautiful country called Swaziland. The workest nigga ever known to emerge in the country of Swaziland. But again, he's the purest soul, pure soul, dog. Mjita lo grand opanda kunakhito lehle, uyabanaka abantu, wenda konke lo grand, you understand? But when it comes to the sport called hip hop, hey, we've got better artists like King Longababega as goats. Nokuthi ungabeka iLapel Boy.
Bobani sengikuthi mina Mlingane nangathiwa nyalo sicabanga ama-lyricist. Nangabe sisikala ngaloko King ukuthi sicabanga ama-lyricist. Ngambala I don't think you know this kid Zolisa Mota.
Ngemat is a lyricist.
Zolile 80 script. King exile outlier as far as lyricism bafana.
I've listened to him. I've listened to that cat. He's a nice cat, King. Makhuluma ngesteg mfethu. You're talking about that cat, King is nice.
It's nice, yes. Zolile lyrics ngambala. Ngambala the Psycholution.
Psycho, yeah. Cibo.
Ngambala Cibo lyricism. Asengendi top 5 yami mlingani. Top 5 dead or alive. Yakangwane lyricism.
Dead or alive. That shit sounds serious. Yeah.
Ngambala, okay, no particular order. Ngamfaka Cibo, ngamfaka 80 script. And 80 script King.
80 script.
80 script is
one of the nicest
is one
cats,
of the ones.
Yeah. It's one of the nicest cats that I'm 80 scripts, King.
Yeah, it's one of the ones. 80 script, so Psycholution, 80 script, Cibo intellectual. Kunalamanye amagenge angicabanga ukuthi awati King. It was Harold Oswin na Johannes. But esenkhohlule group yathu yini Bayfly King. Bayfly. And then and as much as it is known mafana ngakufaka wena ku number 1.
Hey King, manje soyagaba number 1.
No, go list yam King and unayo le catalog leyo King. We can bring people bar for bar. Sibone ukuthi kwendekani. Ngakufaka lapho.
Inkinga mina I've never known. So
underground King.
Mina nawe the King asingatifaki King. Mina nawe asingatifaki because mina nawe King. Mina nawe King for a fact. For a fact I've never listened to something the pure and so quality and so dope. Magrep hamne nawe mfowethu. No hating. No hate. Niggas are dope. We've got dope niggas Eswatini King. But I've listened to you, dog, rapper. Mbambele Mike, nothing compares to that. For me, who tell Versi, long presenter, it affluent to say, little verse lady, like even to date, I'm talking about verses have been made after that. A lot of verses have been made after we recorded the track. But who tell verse even today, little Vela, King Silbege, Batu Ba, little verse lelo.
Good, but the thing is like good follow music lo King outside of a small circle. So maybe kufuna si upublish sibone ukuthi kwendekani. But nje I think those cats lawo bese ke King sangiphumile kule top 5. Okay, ngigcine ku4 because wena uthi ngakufaki.
Yeah, wangifaki mina.
Ngamfaka Ras King ku top 5 yami. Yeah, because the nigga is nice. Abamati. Yes, but ngamfaka lapho. Bese ke King kule category ya goat. Sangifaka Illa Pen Boy King. For me that's the goat.
Akela ukuthi wena accept wena ukuthi Illa Pen Boy angihate.
No, ani inanking opinion yam. Like this is not a statement of fact. This is my opinion.
Okay, King. Okay, since sikhuluma ngalokho ngenyalo, you understand? Wena why ubeke kuloko lapho? Why umbeke lapho Illa? Yini lokwenza wena njalo?
No, because he did hip hop King and he used that to do other things. I think he transcended hip hop mlingani. And is the only superstar that I can think of. Maybe Gnabo, Young Zesh and them, but I'm not familiar with those.
Was he a superstar with hip hop?
Yeah, he was.
Should he see to music gangwane, gents?
He was, because Illa Pen Boy King is the only cat locally say Mavuso. You feel that Mavuso?
I think King is see the music. I think he's a good influencer, King. Come on. He's a goat with influencing. He's a good influencer. He can call up people. He's connected like that, you understand? He can make that phone call that can trigger that nigga to come through, you understand? But when it comes to the goat, especially with the craft, the art, you're insulting us, King. We are too for it too.
No, it's bigger than the art. I think Illa Pen Boy is bigger than the art.
Man, let me and you talk about the art. Yeah, okay. Umbeka level ban King art. Penship yakhe.
Angimbali King as far as penmanship is concerned. Angimbali as far as penmanship is concerned.
Okay,
but he ukwaktile kwakhe music King lo connecta nabantu. Bantu badata music wakhe. That's why ngithi mina King ngiyamfaka kule category.
I think mina King disconnected King ku real life. Because like athi ngayiva mina ikhuluma ngathi cheese nebhontshisi. I was like, what? That shit was work for me, King. In as much as I like the nigga, but it's not even like using mnyanya hila pen boy ngikhuluma so. I like the nigga, but I'm sure ukuthi naye King, if angayiva never ngimshela yona ngisho konyalo, angasho ukuthi the nigga is true, dog. That's truth. You understand? I'm not dope like that. But the nigga has got influence. Ila pen boy influence King le ngincanywa ke nekhito lehle out there King. And I wish one day kusebenza naye King. Sendele ndethu wakhela abantu indlu and stuff like charity work. He's a dope nigga King. Nekhito lehle mjita is pushing like that. And you know what? He can say my consult, my shows and everything. But when it comes to the pen King, I'm an advocate of the pen. Once you talk about the pen King, so far as sling a cards, anything I'm a pen King, releka. I think Magic is dope. Magic is dope.
Oh, Magic uphila phela King. Magic utrainwe nang ngathini? Utrainwe utrainwe lab Magic mlingani. Where he went to the thing with some real ones. So hey, angathi ngicabanga ukuthi singayishiya lapho mlingani. But nje mina ngicabanga i-goat as far as music is concerned. Ila Pen Boy is one of the ones. But as far as again nasingathi sesibuka i-penmanship King. Enginamjito kancumalo King Psycho. Kuna Psycho kuna 80 script.
Yeah.
80 script ubuhlungu ethe.
Yabona 80 script kuma goats ethu King ungafaki lamashita la ayithula wa. Ngibani opha lo mjito sembabani ohlala lapha labehlala khona bophinde lapha.
Buphinda
lapha etulo ngoyoyo yini akusingoyoyo manje lapha ejele prison lapha.
ngibani outle.
Beba host lama back lawa King yokhumbula ma head count.
Ketesi.
Those niggas King, they did a lot for hip hop. Ketesi and who's that other cat?
Mosaic
and Ketesi. For me, now when you talk about goats, especially when it comes to the culture, hey, those two cats King, Ketesi, Mosaic. I think King ngibona singaba with the silver platter. I can allow it King because ngibona bazamile push hip hop bende ma shows bende lama head count. Those cats have been there for hip hop, especially for Swazi hip hop King. Ketesi, Mosaic, yeah.
No, yeah, lapho ngiya by contender King ya game by contender na Ila Pen Boy. Yeah, the match itala was spanile King for hip hop. Like they even have a classic album King. Yeah. They have a classic album, Mosaic who produced for hip hop, and so many other cats King who will never be known.
And so many
cats. There's so many cats who will never be known. Where mad Nongoloza?
Nongoloza bakafunza eVaal King abanayo mina ngashaya freestyle ke kungimi kunongoloze kungisims kungamanye ama rap eJozi King sise VUT esigcele mara bese Swazi enangu eDomin King ngashaya nje freestyle ya 15 minutes Nongoloza King wangichawula sandla wathi kusendwana udope.
Hey, Nongoloza, I know Martin Nongoloza. Senglamai machi the King, those cats will never be known. But after the span, but in your
mina nga influence ngama G's.
Machiz will never be known. Bakhona Mkumblago Machiz King is one of the first few ones to do it big.
Yeah, mina that's the cat King wangitshela ukuthi kusendwana yendi rap ngayendi kwaito ayikufanele. It's Machiz.
Machiz, yeah, I remember Machiz. But yeah,
I think he was trying to take me out of the streets, abon.
Manje at the time when move mningani bowayila kakhulu.
Yeah, I was too much into the streets, man. And quite associated kakhulu nestrad and the fact ukuthi Izola was playing a lot of influence in my life. I think that's why Machiz wabona say don't have ngiyayithanda like say yeah why like ngcono ngine hip hop tokhuluma yo my man. What's up, bro? Lohlala no Cheese Boy nabo J. Lohlala bo JJ Kahuva bo Cheese Boy.
And everywhere yabona Machiz King ukuthi over corporate one say he sold out.
Yeah, I sold out King.
You sold out but when I sanguthi bafana kafuna since there's some things the work when dlula kuwo bafana usese stratini.
See, I'm a street dude.
You street but nje nokuthi sawedlulile mlingane eyishekse. Ya ngiyakuva ekwa Ila King kuphule lenye excel umshitelo yangathi uthi nomuna muthi wethi intombi nomunani King. Angizange ngimbone like low work.
See dog, let me give you a game. Since now uthanda kunginika game King, ngicela ukunika game.
Nginike bafana.
You see
Say
this cloud
useless
shit.
because mina sengiretired bafana.
You see this cloud shit. Is the only currency we have in this day and age. This day and age,
The
king.
clout.
This day and age, king. You must build up your clout, my nigga. Once you build up your clout enough, utobona king. These things that well, ugly or not, bochele batela mfowethu. Nyalo i-currency lekhona king unema-followers kangakanani, watiwa kangakanani, kuhambani ngawe, nabobani bangani bakho, uhamba ngani, drivani. You understand? That's the only thing that's selling. Nyalo natha in, natha nabobani, weekend. That's it, king. Clout mfowethu. I-currency lenkulu blind for this day and age. And mawungana clout
Wait,
mfowethu. Mawungana clout man,
those are the
uthenga
keys.
ama-brand. Huh?
Those are the keys, king. Clout.
Clout, my nigga. Once you build up on the clout shit, the rest is history, king. Batela mfana sobasheli bazizela kwasho zona.
Hey manje king unginika le game bafana sengiretired. Wathi uthi
Anguniki king. It's not. It's like nyalo masikhuluma mna nawe king. It's like I'm talking to you, but I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the guy lo bukelako lo ya.
oh yeah, okay, because mina king retire game mina sengingabuya king ngibuye nama game la legendary yabona
Mina king
like
wena mangikhuluma nawe so ngusebenzisa as a point of reference. But actually I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the guy behind that screen.
Okay, at least I hope that guy we have mlingani because yabona like uqinisile I think mina kuzuza this time around kufuna Instagram wakho abe clean king.
Facts.
Your Instagram kufuna abe clean kufuna ukwati kwenza content.
Facts.
Kufuna ukwati kwenza content. Your Instagram has to look sharp. You have to look like you have money somehow. Noma uthi le mali.
Yeah, most of these cats better than mad king. Like let's not lie about it, king. Most of these cats better than mad. We've seen scammers, we've seen these guys, we've seen these forex gurus. The forex guru king. They appear like they have money, but about scam abantu and stuff. Now go to about 3 months of jail and stuff. Like it's a lie. Like I won't lie, king. 21st century is a lie. We're living a lie. You understand? So many of us are living a lie, king.
The lies are winning, mlingani. The lies are winning. Mina I lost khona sithando sami bengi okay sagcina sikanye but per se.
Yeah.
But bengimitha lo girl ka Tinder.
Yeah.
Saxoxa and then a scammer moved fast king.
Yeah.
Wangitshela wathi kuse sengidibena lenye out lana mina wena move slow. Ngisahamba nayo le out.
Ngicela ukubamba lwimi lapho. Yini kuhamba slow bekathi uhamba njani na king motibuka uhamba njani ukuhamba slow.
Bengithi my intention bathi bengasi intentional.
Yini kushada?
No, like ukuthi nje ngicela ukubona, ngicela siphume out, ngicela siyokwenda lokho, ngicela kujula nawe yabona.
Usaphanda that's before 2020 hayi.
Yeah, bengisaphanda king, that's before the internet.
That's okay. Okay king qhubeka.
And then yeah nalokuthi bengingamove because mina mlingane okay khona lokusoma ukuthi yabona ngene ekhumbini ngidibana na girl ngiyamtshela ishi ngiyakuthanda kanjani. Then ngisuke ngidlala ngicitha isikhathi but mina ngabe ngithi ngifuna sijole mlingane. Aneke mina simithela umuntu sesiyajola kusasa. I'm not the type of cat ngifuna I have to observe yabona. Ngibone ukuthi is compatible yini.
You're not the type of cat because you're not the type of cat I can afford to miss if I shoot you.
I mean I'm not rushing to anything mlingane mina singakhuluma for 2 years yabona. Solo stama kwatana because ngadibana nabo girl king labo move fast.
Yeah.
Going nowhere fast. And the crash lapho iba heavy mlingane.
That's the thing king ukuthi le crash iba ekuse king speaking about crashes. Ngibona imoto kumalagwana ke nekuse ithi 368 BH ifana naleya mnanzane king. Naleya kuba ngibane bright wasembabane king. Ifana nemoto yanang man king man. Nemoto yamnaka man.
Uyatela out.
lo ngibana man king lo bra yethu man lebuya stake man why ngikhohle ibra yami yabona vele kusemanje tangisola king le podcast
onke
le
ama-bright fabuye steke king awuvakali nawusho njalo.
okay lo fundzisa eLimco
Mr Nene.
taxi ifana moto Mr Nene exactly king
Hey, exactly afuna ngimthinze but ngase sengivile king ebe kune-issue lendeke kunene.
beyivutha le moto king kwafika bafaya bayicisha lapha
Ngiyibonile le situation leyo, ngibonile.
akusiya
Buka
nene
ngingacabangi ngicabanga kanjalo but itafuna ngimthinze after then ku-confirm kuse
uyibona ukuthi ifana exactly kuse
hayi wena ngidamthinsa king ndo confirm.
okay chubeka nestory sakho king
Yeah, because look move fast king going nowhere fast you crash very hard.
facts
I don't believe mina mlingane ukuthi singamitha namuhla sibe relationship kusasa ibe successful lento leyo. Relationships
angeke.
take time.
Angeke king angeke
I've
singamitha lamuhla king isiganane it's a fact singaganana singamitha
singaganana yes.
but ukuthi sakhe into le concrete king it will take us months you understand
Yes man, that's why for me it's a red flag unawudibana nomuntu mlingane athi lo muntu ngiyathandza. Like dog we met Thursday namhla is Saturday uyangithandza usho ukuthini nje ngithandza
okay
ufuna kune relationship nami.
let me play devil's advocate sihlale kasi njengami nyalo king selokishini ngihlala khona understand like there's a woman ngiyadi it's a fact there's a woman ohlala ngibona king eshop ngiyothenga tshwala ngiyokwenda in uyangithandza lo mntwana so ngibukile king songiganile ngihambe emgwaqweni sengamkhulumisi but that day ngiyokhuluma naye ngithi pha angigane sikhuluma sithini ngaye loyo because we're living in the same environment and she always sees me every morning dog going to buy that bread
But uyakwati yini noma uyakunabela?
uyangifuza uhlala ngibuka kunemajita uyangibona uyangithandza nje uyangibukile out there yade ngichaza indlela emuva ngayo man kuse le ndlela iphatha ngayo indlela egcoka ngayo man indlela ya understand lo mjita lona kuse ugrand man
Like une crush, she has a crush on you. Because mlingane okay mina ngathi maybe ngiyibuka ngibeka lenye mina nangithi gele uyangithandza so ngivile ukuthi nangilele ngiyahona uyabona
yeah
so ngivile ngisuda uyabona sidla
okay ngiyakuva lapho king usho ukuthi wena in other words wena uthi king like the real relationship develops over time
yes to nasasakwati king lokuthi umuntu ocomplex kanganani mina nje girl king lonabela wena ucansi uyakuthandza ngamdiscourage ukuthi akaphume kuleti ingqondo leto
because like king ekuse mina king nginangizane man king ngifail
enigma you are the real brother enigma
yeah mina king enigma ngimi again
nguwe king brother enigma the real brother enigma so umuntu lo uyakuthandza king ngamkhuthata nyalo you can even give my number ukuthi kuse shayela mina ngilokutshela ukuthi phuma kule ngqondo lethu le out lena awuyithandi because awuyadi
ekuse mina king lenye out mfowethu ekuse I think mina do you know king this shit is wrong I mean for mina king lento lengiphila kuyo nyalo king is wrong you understand because sometimes ngekusikhuphula ngisho sekuse again umuntu uyaflopa because yang affect nami king ngendlela engayo mina king what I went through with relationships taught me so much about life ukuthi king ngicela ngithandza mina more than anything else king mina ngafika i-opportunity lehle elithando ngithi sabotage mina king because le ngqondo yami itayakhashana mfowethu and it's wrong because king now I'm missing this pussy
but I think mina it's all for the better because nega udlale nemuntu nega adlale ngawo because wena ufuna info le straight king and ufuna umuntu lo understand yabona
but sometimes ngiyatibuta ukuthi yini info le straight ekuse yakena sithi king I'm in a bag especially nyalo namhla king is the last day ngingusling so kusasa ngiyaqala retreat yami for 30 days ngiyagcina nje kunatha ngigcina kwenta konke lamuhla
Shangati bafana I think kufuna udecide wena ukuthi what's the real truth what's the mina nje mlingani as far as nangibekisa ngikusi bafana vele sekukhuluma like king sengikhuluma as Diego Maradona yabona as a player who played the game so phumile kuyo so retired mokunaka amakhokho king waneka neljezi mina nangifuna i relationship king bengifuna umuntu loto Dotoba open nami. Angitshele konke, even the ugly parts, uyabona?
Facts. Fact. Mina
Mm.
I think King with the lenglimata King Guti. I feel like I need to meet Sling in the next person, understand? Which is wrong. Akufuneka ngihlangane na Sling lomunye yabona. Kufuna ngihlangane nomuntu mina yathi ngifuna umuntu njani? Ngifuna umuntu ohilile. Lo hilile, lo klaphile, lo grand. Angifuni mina ukubuilder. I don't want to be Bob the builder. I don't want to be that motherfucker. I don't want to be Bob. I hate Bob. Yabona. Mina ngifuna khanza umvu King lo sethi buildile njengami ngihilile anginankinga ngide ma past trauma ma relationship I've been through it all but mina ngifuna khanza lo grand already lo dihilile and stuff angifuni builder and stuff mfowethu angisafuni kuba relationship lengakho khona umuntu uthi okay lokho kwentiwa so lokho mina ngase khanza umlo King lo complete lo ready for ukuthi kusele jump in bese siyafundzana ke kuloko because it doesn't mean ukuthi kutewa bethe ama disagreements and stuff because I relationship ngiloko but lokunye King the dark part of it lokuthi hey mina i-trauma the past what no I'm done with that I've healed myself angikhanzi umflo njalo mfowethu uzivele sichubeke ngayo i-clean hayi ukuthi mina
I think
ngikubuilder engitele isikhathi
I think imlingane kufuna ufunela OG.
lalela
So
hayi
kufuna
hayi OG khona ngiyathi khona girl already lapha mina ngifuna umfuking ukuthi
ngisho Girl King maybe kwamshwedla kuna kunabo 35 or so. Because King kude 2000 lelihilile uyabona.
Like I mean I don't think I call it Joel 2000 King I think I'm
kukhona sekufuna King ubuka kuthiwani kunanti ingcuce kufuna ubuka ingcuce or ubuka umshwedla or ingudlela.
not really again I can find that one again lo mdala
nelibuya uyathi usinelibuya King likhona libuya lelingako leselihilile
likhona libuya King lelihilile lengalithola ngibe grand
kufuna uthola libuya King lelihilile wathola libuya bafana kuse ungaphila. I think mina the biggest breakthrough for me King was coming and deciding ukuthi angifuni lutho ngama 2000 King like nje ngigrind ngama 2000
King
because there's a generational divide King ufuna uthola libuya King noma kwe inform nje lesekhulile bafana leseseyimatured leseyimaturishile and lay feminist. Mina personally mlingani aneke ngikhona ukujwana umuntu longasiyi feminist.
kunentombi King angathi ngisesenayo yini entombi le ihlala khona lapha endasi lapha ihlala thutana sekhayini ngiyayiconsiderisha njengentombi yami leya
kufuna wena taba King tekusonzela kuyo.
hayi ngithuthana kakhulu nayo ngiyakutshela kanye la asiyekele yayo
so funa wena taba mlingane tekusonzela kuyo because wema udokhanda sebamstethile kuyasnetshwana bayiluthana kulamalanga King.
Mina King nale confidence overconfidence later slimata machita hayi
yani mlingane
mina kenze ne overconfidence kimi kuse again mina King December blind again
kufuna ubheje ngawe mlingane ne uhlala ungabheje ngawe kufuna always ubheje ngawe
which is wrong. Okay, it's wrong, it's right. Hey, but these days when I want to what is wrong, what is right. Like go take discernment, man. What is wrong, what is right? Because except of your Houdin, njengoba sikhuluma ngabo Houdin King. Okay, senguthi to a guy like me, meaning intimidate Houdin King. Because Houdin King utafika ayende lento maybe I'm snatch lo girl because uhamba ngale Mustang for today. You understand? But mina kungishinji ku sling, akumshinji sling. Akungende ngive buhlungu, akungende ukuthi ngibe out le lesser than Houdini. Akungende ngichubeka ngibe usling like kuthi kuba bethi dent la kimi because ngidlulile kutonke itimbi, you understand? So Houdini mina ngimsabi. I think that's why I'm overconfident. Ukuthi mina ngawukhanza Majida King. Adle marebe Martin, adle mabhodlela adurile. Kunabogeli nanani, mara mina ngaphuma na geli lapha.
Yeah, and ungaphuma nga because when I'm mlingani ngingena deep. Uyabona King Houdini Houdini ngumjida lona ma-wounds longahili. Is not a complete man.
Ekana King
Houdini
umflo bukela lama le series yethu lesiyendayo King kufuna aqale to understand nga Houdini again because lento yethu loku Houdini loku yashinja over the episodes. It's busy morphing.
no
It's morpheus.
Simdescribe in more detail King. Houdini ngumjida lona mali lo usebenzisa le mali as a weapon yekujola neku interact nekuthola inhlonipho emhlabeni yabona.
Yeah.
Ngithi ke mina ungamsabi uHoudini because Houdini uthinta inyama kuphela.
Yeah.
Saba lo thinta inyama King aphinda athinta umphefumulo. Uyabona?
King kunalenye verse likhona lapha eBhayibhelini encwadini engcwele likhuluma ngathi into leto angilati ngibani.
Ngiko King because mina Houdini King nangimbuka noma kungumjida lomdzala kunami noma thenda ngimbuka is just my is my older younger brother uyabona ngiyam understand ukuthi what is going through is my older younger brother umfana uyabona ujabulile uthola iMustang ilitoy yabo is happy uthola ama toys ufake ijewelry yabo is wearing yini iRolex uphethe imali tinto imjabulisa umfana yabo ama toys ukuthi uphathele umfana Houdini phela ngiloyo nangambuka kahle nje umngene deep nami cabanga ngilomjida loyo
Actually yeah. Unless kungHoudini longekho kulama social standards esikhuluma ngawo Houdini nje ukuthi ngHoudini aphilela yedwa angenza lama miracles ebuHoudini ngHoudini nje yedwa unemfati wakhe ushadele mara thina siyathi ukuthi kusele tinike ke ngokhona water.
He can King sayinvotsa ke leyo lecebile King so graduated from being Houdini so invotsa uyabona.
Yeah and ngeke categorize as Houdini loyo.
Invotsa leyo.
Just an OG magician.
Akasi magician King lo muntu loyo because magic has to do with a trick. You convince something. Lo muntu loyo King u-elevateile invotsa lenemali and uyati ukuthi le mali leyo ayimniki isigaba kwendlula labanye bantu. Lo mjida loyo King uyati ukuthi nakaye ekhaya kubo kunesitulo lane kahlale kuso because isitulo sababa wakhe.
I mean abengcono imali.
Aneke kunema decisions lane ke akhona kwenda because kufuna endiwe ngibhuti wakhe lomdzala kunaye uyabona
facts
so unemali lomjida loyo but King uya understand le mali is in him is not on him akayigcoke uyabona ukuthi ekuse mina nginemali noma bengingangilaleli ke neke kwenteke lutho sitabona ukuthi lo muntu ndamngcoba ngani because nengifaka imali yami.
Those are old kids. Do you know those old kids?
Those are old kids King.
Ngumdzala mana mntwana.
Ngumfana King ucabanga ukuthi le mali imnika emagunya la ngetulu. That's why mina boHoudini King ngimbuka as I said is my older younger brother yabo intwana yami but lenzala kunami inemali kunami. That's how ngibabona kanjalo amachita lawo mina King.
Yeah, because I think in the insecurity ningi Houdini like is a guy who's insecure, he's not sure about himself. He was bullied as a young kid. He's trying to prove a point.
He's crying out King bebangamgana esikolweni asethe imali.
Yeah, so kufuna sebenzisa imali as a weapon ekubamba lo mntwana.
Bona chonko kubabita ngema jelly tots.
Ma jelly tots. Shout out to la Chongo. Ma jelly tots.
Kuyancibilika King lento uyabona na ukubamba ubekela ngene noma ukufaka emlonyeni kuyancibi akusilo litshe.
Shout out to la Chongo ekuse jelly tots.
La Chongo real bafana. Buka kwa la Chongo kulenye episode yakho yakhuluma ukuthi bekulenye embassy kweFrance.
Yeah, thanga icheckile episode leyo King. Actually is the only episode engiyibukelile leyo. Kwafika lokunye
kwa Houdini uyabona kutama.
Yahlangana nale. To prove.
Yahlangana King
ukuthi ngibamba.
Kumnika Instagram. Kufuna abone lokuthi ukuhamba ngetimoto enjani, clerical enjani. Kanti phela la Chongo King ujole neskwembu.
Uyakuva kuthini wena Chongo kusekusele athi igcine yasarenda yathi kuse hayi ngibonile awusile chene bengicaba ukuthi ngiyimi ngifuna kushaya ngendlela.
Awusiyo yabaleka le out why King because la Chongo udzinga invota.
That's the thing King lekhaya kuma sister ethu. And again is a thing lokuthi king ngeke phindze ngeke ngidebate. I cannot these days king is very wrong king ublame abantu nokuthi lona kuse udliwa bo. I think it's not a time and day, especially this age we are in. The age lena king it's dark. Awumathi umuntu ukuthi wedlula kuphi, awumathi umuntu ukuthi king intinkinga takhe, awumathi umuntu ufuna ini at the moment, you understand? Because sinekufuna kuwenta abantu king ukuthi kuphilwa kanje kude, ngiyakutshela mnci kude ukuthi kuphilwa kanje king, ngiyakutshela mina.
I think lokho is controlling people, it comes from religion mlingane. Mina siphila ku age of freedom ukuthi unenkhululeko ne-freedom yekwenta noma ngayini oyifunako, yabona.
Lento ukuthi kuse labotshela abantu abenta so babhede labotshela badayisa emgwaqweni babheda. There's nothing like that in this day and age, my nigga. This day and age kuse you do what you have to do to survive. Senguthi ungathi mina njengami ngikategorizile ukuthi mina njengasling ngifuna kuphila kaso, ngifuna abantu abakaso bakhona nayi icrowd yami nawo bakawo nalo yawo nebantu bakhe sekuse mina ngidzinga out esheshile lefuna ngishaya fast inike 250 phuma ivaye, you understand? Nalo
neither one is wrong mlingane, yathi ukuthi wrong
and no one is above it all ukujudge ukuthi ayabhede lo chelo uyambona wendani nah bra. It's what it is.
So that's why mlingane vele ngiyabasupporta kakhulu bonke bo Girl King labaphila different lifestyles, bonke ngiyabasupporta, ngiyaba-understanda, yabona. And ungamjudge umuntu because awati ukuthi uchamuka kuphi, but mina king le type ya girl le ngiyifunako or lebe ngisajula ngifuna, bengifuna le type ya girl letambona Houdini nakavela king ibese iyam-understanda ukuze lona ngumjida king unema wounds, yabo. Houdini ngumjida lona unema wounds, I have to understand him. Unginika le mali because akakwati kunginika ubudvodza, sekufika stage sokuthi akanginika ubudvodza bakhe. Akati ukuthi utanginikani, so all he has ingile mali or i-vacation or because now I'm demanding kunetimo king let demanda invodza, yabona.
Hayi ngisho imali king, asadzinga imali, asadzinga vacation, adzinga lutho, adzinga invodza.
Tidzinga invodza kude lata kwenda lo mjida lo king because yena wathi ukuthi imali isolution yako konke. And bantu bamconvincile king ukuthi isolution yako konke imali, uve ukuthi ya lona ngibabe hlophe lo utalwa ngumfana ukoyiva into leyo king. But disrespect ngakuthi wena unemali but disrespect ababu wakho because wena yabo yathi machita nje ukuthi king messed up kwani.
I messed up king, like imali king say imali king ekuse imali enidilima king tahlonishwa.
That's why king nawuhlonipha imali ugcina uhlonipha nenangi nemabhari nje ngokuthi le bhari nemali.
Mina I think that's why machida amaningi ekasa nginyanya king. Mina ngihlonipha ukuthi unemali uhamba ngemoto lenjani, I don't give a fuck dog. Mina ngihlonipha ukuthi u-out kanjani, masikhuluma nawe i-conversation yakho injani, baphatha njani bantu. How do you treat other people?
I think that's the key ngiloko ukuthi une-integrity yini nakuthi lokubonako ubehave njani nakuthi lokubonako,
yabona. So two one on one, how are you umjidelo njani? Machida amaningi ingede le-integrity again, amajida uthi unemali nje uyaboniwa, yabona.
Yeah, because integrity mlingane, you have to work for it. Imali ungahamba uyothwalela imali, ungathwala ube nemali or ngafa babo wakho bekanemali ube nemali ngaloko, yabo, or ungashaya score i-heist ube nemali. Imali, I think, is the cheapest thing you can ever have. Money is the cheapest thing you can ever have. Integrity integrity king ibita wena.
Integrity durile, say that's the most expensive currency, I think. Integrity king.
Mina nje king bantu lengibahloniphako in life bantu labane integrity, bantu labane knowledge, ukuthi lo muntu uspend isikhathi king acultivate lwati thide. It doesn't matter ukuthi lwati lwani, but maybe ngifuna kubekisa king unesilonza lesingapholi, yabona. Esogijima bonke bodokotela king, bonke bodokotela. Kufuna nje king uyedokotveni uye kubaba esibani wathi kuhlanganisa 1 or 2 emagcembe kusolva lesilonza lesi. So I respect onke la knowledge lawo. Imali king elistini into engihloniphako, I think ile kubo 1,067,000 bani nangibale list yetinfo lengiti consider tikhulu ile gcineni, because ungathwala ube nemali, ungashaya score ube nemali, aneke bese lokho sekukunika
ungasebenta ube nemali,
ungasebenta ube nemali king,
ungashiyela lifa
lifa
ube nemali,
ube
ungadayisa timpahla, you can sell and have money. It's the least of the human problem, imali. But
so that's why I'm the king. Houdini, and I'm happy that you are not shaken by Houdini. Nama kang shake Houdini.
I'm the king sebaningi king lebahambe tuwe mandi embi kwami. Ngabashiya king bahamba bajabula abantu bashadadla ngawulala. Bavuka ekuseni king beta kimi bathi kuse dog, are you not shaken? Why are you not shaken? Ngaba like me shaken by what? But I said, didn't you see me walking on water yesterday? Like, me, I saw a dumb nigga doing some dumb shit. That's why I'm chicken. Exactly. It's not hate. Because it's not like I hate them. For me, I understand what's happening. I've seen the trick for a long time. It's not new to me. So because I'm fine. I don't see directed back.
And you understand the psychological troubles alumchitela wenda lenvole.
And
because when you are the only one that understands him.
He said he sold his soul. He sold his soul for this shit. Sold his soul for riches.
But yeah, it's not coming from a place of hate, Mlingani. It's just coming from Guti. Siyam understand lomchita. Kufanele mchita king lo thanda kusoma nekujola. Kunemchita umchita king lo thanda kusoma nekujola. Kunesilonze la kuye latama kusivala yabona. Is a validation issue latama kuyisolve inside him. That's why ufuna ukuthi mina bayangithanda yebo hamba somale. We understand umchita lo king ukuthi u-insecure somehow.
Hey.
Hey, wat is straf op die werk, What a straf, King. You have to edit some of these parts out.
King, they connected in your episode.
No, but I'm happy buka ayikayina le bencane sister yakhona lenkulumo. Shothi kusafuna sibuye sikhulume ngale online dating kahle hle. But nje I think le bathini bathi balidwa spirit balo. I think spirit king sisilidele enzaweni thinza into emcoka because I think amachita kufuna focus ekuba invoter more than kukhomba abantu ukuthi unemali una status losithenga imali. Can you be a man in any situation with or without the money?
Just to respect our segment, King. There's no hate to Ilapen Boy. There's no hate to anybody we talked about. It's all love. You understand?
It's all love, King. I mean, I still maintain that game Ilapen Boy is one of the goats.
He's a goat, King. I mean, for me, he's a goat too, but not in hip hop. He's a goat as in out like King putting in the. I've never seen him the King namancane njenga Ilapen Boy swatini. Afaka span njenga basifakile mchita King. Working for the community. Waketindlu mchita King is doing this charity thing. He's a legit nigga King. He's 100. You understand? Shows and stuff. He's 100. But don't touch my hip hop. Hip hop King it's what raised me. I was raised by hip hop. Once you talk about hip hop, which is a god of hip hop, no, come on, dog. We've got a lot of kids talking about topics.
Ngiyakuva King asidibane kusasa discuss the original plan because imcoka King le nange original le online dating for both
sifahla King benginemibuto nje lebenginawo nayo lengengisakubuta yona King lebengifuna singene kuyo King because ithine King lo nyanyane yethu lena akusi podcast le ninyonyane le
nyonyane King. Sometimes utshela ukuthi utawukhuluma ngaloko ukuthatha umoya King lo moya wale podcast ukumixa somewhere uyabona bongatshela ukuthi uyakhona
sile King isiphethwe abantu abadzala ngeke ngikhulume lokuningi isiphethwe abantu abadzala ene kuningi lekusafuna ukuchaza King ukuthi kufanele sibongo sami nje King abantu abaningi ngifunze nabo esikolweni lesibukela nabo lo nyanyane yethu le basangathi ngingimalinga uyabona bathi ukuthi uyabo. So kuningi lesafuna sikuhlephule lapha sibuye nje yabona stinde ingeke ulukhune kuba serious except for mina except
but ke ufuna kuba serious leni wena
angathi nami maybe bekufuna yona sibafuna kwena baputhiwe serious bo podcast ndimcoka bokufuna ukukhuluma deep
awusilo mjita loyo wena awuzange nje in your life ever ube serious wake wakufake for about a year uyabona and you failed miserably wake kusiwafail king when you serious
except king another technique yakena kusi technique was a breaking point after that shit hallelujah and shit after hallelujah and shit king another technique. What was the song? But the song it talks about then I kneel down and pray to the sky because almost everything that I was ever told was a lie.
So ngiyibona ke so kuba serious king phuma kuwa awusiyo umjidelo serious kunemajidela la serious king
when you're not one of the kids the stanza leso king changed my life. The stanza nje leso changed my life.
This is the point which I can never return because if I bow down now
there could never be peace. Mara njengle ukuthi this point then I kneel down and pray to the sky because almost everything that I was ever told was a lie. Just that stanza changed Sling forever. Now good.
It's always one word king I know. Sitabuya king I think ikusasa kufuna sidibane sendelenye inakho njani. Inyonyane mlingane because there's a lot and Stabe sesina more information king ukuthi kwendekene bushfire because now the news are slowly coming in yabona.
Yeah. Hayi
information but next year kufuna sibe sikhona bushfire mlingane.
Sadla ba 11 views king. Ngithi sadla ba 11 views mara sakhula yabona. It's okay.
Me I don't mind the views king because bantu bathi I discover mina aim yami king ukuthi noma ngaba ne view yinye yabona just one view ngoba king you can teach eclassini ufundise 100 wabantu ukhanze ukuthi bang 2 or 3 bantu labahamba nawe uyabona mina I'm not interested yes I'm not interested in the masses king kunamjita king lotawuva sikhuluma lotawushinja kucabanga kwakhe angagwazi umuntu uyabona angashaya umuntu ngabhusha mina nakubuyele emvuleyo king ile yodwa ngiyacelebrate uyabona so I don't care about
I think king lenyane yami nawe lena esendako lena I think it's lesikhuluma kakhulu is self love bantu banganaka kuthi sibuyela kuphi lenkulumo sibuyela usekusede dithanze wena phinza utati
dithanze wena utati king don't allow strangers ukuthi bakukhokhe la endzaweni yakho uyabona
yeah
mina nje king personally ngidibona ngihlala kuthiwa yini lenzawo le ku Mount Olympus wathi Mount Olympus lapha khona bo Zeus nabo balibani nabo Poseidon
bo Perseus
bo Ares le indzawo king indzawo lengcwele lapha bahlala khona eGengeleya iMount Olympus uyabona ngikhanza ngathi mina king ngibekise ukuthi ngiyahamba emgwaqweni ungithuke aneke mina bese ngehla ku Mount Olympus king ngidala kuwe ngilokublessa ngiyakuthuka siyalingi no mina ngilala khona
I'm too high
neke king neke
ene mangithuka mina ngu Mount Olympus angunyanyi wena ngithukako ngiba like it's part of the game khona bantu balapha bathukana.
But yes nawe one day maybe utocala kutithanza uti elevate ungasathuki bantu uyabona ungasa nakhunjani bantu kuba kufuna ku down press abantu ukuthi ufuna kubehlisa wena utophakama yabo maybe one day nawe uto elevate so that's how I see it and ngifisa ngathi amajita lamanengi netinthombi letinengi king ngifisa ngathi impilo ngayibona kanjalo ukuthi ipeace yakho imqoka kakhulu kunako konke uyabona akungathi maybe umuntu king uyendlula akunyathele ngesiphosiso then you destroy your peace entirely so yehla ku Mount Olympus uyabuya soto unyathelelani ngakushaya kanjani no you can't do that so I'm hoping
ukuthi sakhona kubuyela ku Mount Olympus king tikhanza so value in the thing
you're in the thing king and now once you're in the thing
Hey, sitawubuya King asivale khona la sibachazela ukuthi yini thing. Ngeke sibatshele
The
namhla
thing
ukuthi
is,
thing. Sitabe sichaze thing King asivale khona la.
yes, so ngiloko King le nyunyani yethu na i-achieve lokho, even if it's one person King again.
It's
Even if
okay.
we achieve that in one person, for me, good enough. Ndabe ngikwendile ngakudela emhlabeni.
It's okay.
Hayi, no ngiyabonga mlikana, sibuyele kuMount Olympus bafana.
Fire.